What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist, and I'm about to talk to y'all about something that I'm really pissed off about. And I know it's been a long time since I made a video, so this is a UI topic, user interface, because that is important in computer science, actually. Let's say we want to go in the kitchen and hit the microwave, but it's dark and can't see a damn thing. So let's say this is what the microwave look like. This is what I'm expecting here. You go there and you type in what you want. 2 minutes, beep, 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 beep. But this is just my cell phone showing you what I'm expecting the microwave to be like. This is definitely not what's going on here with this microwave. So computer science has a lot to do, or a lot of computer science deals with user interface or the user experience. That's when you're looking at programs, and notice that, like when you hit Microsoft Word, you notice how you have to go through a damn million steps just to save to a flash drive, when if you ever use Word XP or Word 2003, the only thing you had to do is hit save, and that's this nice box to show you when you saving the document. Gone are the days when shit was simple. It just seemed like these engineers coming out of college, they do not have any idea of how to make a good user interface. And I guess that's a secondary rant. So this rant right now is about microwaves. Have you ever noticed or tried to use a microwave at night? You walk into a dark room and you turn on that microwave and you want to warm up a piece of damn bread. It's difficult, right? You can't see shit. I'm trying to find out, why haven't they made it so microwaves have touch screens like phones? Even toasters have touch screens. You can probably find a goddamn touch screen broom before you find a touch screen microwave. That's what I'm trying to say. So somebody in computer science, I mean, I might have to do it my damn self. Somebody needs to find out why we don't have touchscreen microwaves. Now, I know some people might go and find these $1,000, $9, $15, $2,000, $3,000 goddamn microwaves with TVs built in them. I'm not talking about those. I'm not talking about something that's not affordable. If you look, we have toasters for $60 with a goddamn touchscreen on them. A whole damn toaster is at an economic point where it's more feasible to buy a fucking toaster with a touchscreen on it than buying a damn microwave with a touchscreen. I walk in, I want to warm my damn bread up. I can't even see the goddamn bread. I got to turn all the lights on in my house, waking up motherfuckers and shit. I want to be able to walk up in this bitch, warm my bread up, and cook my shit, eat my damn bread in my goddamn microwave, goddamn touchscreen on this bitch. But no, we don't have that. We have this bullshit, this old 1952 goddamn 1980 damn shit. Damn microwaves have not made it past 1987. That bullshit we have, look, old calculator ass type of display that's just backlit somehow. No, we need somebody make a damn touchscreen microwave. My rant is over. Peace out, Savage Scientist. Put in the comments below what you think about these stupid microwave designs. Tenfold.